Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a wise old farmer with his four sons. The farmer had worked tirelessly all his life, cultivating fields and raising his family. His sons, however, were often quarrelsome and never agreed on anything. Each believed he was stronger and smarter than the others, and their constant bickering worried the farmer. One day, the farmer fell ill. Realizing his limited time, he decided to teach his sons an important lesson about unity. He called them together and handed each a single stick. "Break this stick," he instructed. The sons easily snapped the sticks in two and smirked, wondering what their father was trying to prove. The farmer then tied a bundle of sticks together with a strong rope and handed the bundle to his eldest son. "Now, break this," he said.
Eldest son tried with all his might, but the bundle wouldn't budge. He passed it to the second son, who failed to break it. One by one, each son struggled, but none succeeded. Farmer smiled weakly. "Do you see? A single stick is easy to break, but when tied together they are unbreakable. Alone you are weak, but united you are strong. If you continue to fight among yourselves, others will easily take advantage of you. But if you stand together, no one can harm you." Sons were deeply moved by their father's words. They realized how foolish their constant quarrels had been. From that day forward, they worked together to care for the farm and support one another. Their unity brought prosperity to their family, and the farmer's wisdom became a cherished memory. The sons never forgot the lesson their father had taught them. Union is strength.